everybody, Miss Charlotte and I are here to share with you guys our Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, I have that $20 bonus that I wanted to do, but I needed 15 rebates, and I'm like, going through the list, I'm like, this week is kind of just not a great week, and I'm like, oh, should I go? But then it ended up turning to be a great deal. So I did finish the top 20 or is it the top saver 20 bonus, so I needed 70 rebates, and it's already what, September 20th I think is today's date, and I got all of them, so I was pretty excited about that. I'm gonna start trying to do my videos on Fridays for you guys, Thursdays or Fridays, because that's when the weekend warrior starts, and I know a lot of you guys do majority of your shopping on the weekend, so you know, let's get some free money. And then I did not finish level 4. I needed a couple more rebates for level 4, but that is okay because this ended up becoming a awesome haul. So the first deal I ended up getting is the nature. Now these are pretty much all grocery items except one product, you guys. I got all grocery items except one product, so I was pretty excited to share with you guys with that deal. But I ended up getting the Nature Valley Krispy Kreme wafers. Now a lot of you guys said these are the bomb. I have yet to try them because my husband ate the whole box. Yeah, so I'm gonna try one of these. To me it looks like it's dark chocolate, but it's not, and I need to try it. But anyways, these were $2.72. I had a 50-cent off coupon that I used, so you guys would pay $2.22, and you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.72. Yeah. She's like, wow, that's cool, Mom. Yeah. Okay. I got the Sunbelt. Now somehow my Sunbelt disappeared and now it's back again. Now I do know we are getting coupons this weekend, so it depends on what you guys want to do. I didn't have the coupons yet, but I'm like, this is still a pretty good deal. So these were $1.93. You guys would pay $1.93 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 93 cents. So there's 10 bars I think in here for 93 cents. I think that's a good deal. It's like less than 10 cents a bar. So yeah. Now I ended up getting those fit drinks again, the A drinks. Now if you guys haven't done this deal, when I did the deal last week they were free, so they were $2.48 and you got $2.48 back. So you can only do those free rebates once, and then it's done for. But my husband really enjoyed them, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get him them again, just because it's a deal for something for him to drink. I'd rather do that than, you know, pay regular price. So these were both, the Immunity one was all sold out, so we had the Focus and the Fit, but these were $2.48. You guys would pay $2.48 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate, 2 different rebates for Ibotta. So these just come out to be $1.48. I don't know if that's a pretty good deal, but my husband really enjoyed these. He said they were pretty good. So I thought, you know what, for $1.48, I'll still get them because I'd rather have him drink some of that than other things. So yes, I ended up, so I was like, I had like literally 12 items on my list that I was gonna get for sure, and then I'm like, you know what, I just need 3 more stuff to get the $20 bonus. I'm like, let's just find some stuff. So I ended up getting these Forto coffee drinks. Now my store's in the middle of like remodeling, because now their self-checkouts has the wand, so I can actually like check out there. There's only 5 registers for people to shop at. The rest are all self-checkouts. There's probably 20 self-checkouts and 5 registers. I don't know how Black Friday is gonna happen, but yeah, you guys, like 5 registers and that's it, and 20 self-checkouts. This is crazy, but you know what? I'll do self-checkouts because then I feel more comfortable scanning my stuff. I can take my time and I don't have to worry about holding up the lines because there's other people that'll go faster than me, so there's that. But I ended up getting these Forto drinks. Now in the past I found these in a cooler, but they're remodeling and they were stocked right on the shelf, the same spot where I found those Forto drinks. They're like by the Kool-Aid and the juice aisle. These were $2.50. I don't know what flavor my husband would like, so I decided to get them one of each. But you guys would pay $5 for these, and then you guys, there's a deal on Ibotta, it's like a BOGO, so buy one, get one. So you guys would submit $2.50 off of 2. So you guys will get both of them for $2.50 or $1.25. And then I also had a energy drink thing pop up also for $0.25. So if you guys have that deal, you guys can get that any receipt right there. I always scan my items while I'm in the store because sometimes either the rebate could have ended while I was shopping. That happens a lot. Or something doesn't qualify. So always make sure you guys scan your items. I've seen people like, well, I don't have that deal. Still scan it. It still might show up or it ended. So what you looking at? The bright lights. Yeah. Okay, so I did the Pop-Tarts deal again. I have so many Pop-Tarts, but I really wanted to finish my 15 rebates that I get. And I always eat Pop-Tarts like when I'm on the go. Like I need to run somewhere, I'll have some Pop-Tarts just to have as a snack. I just nuke it in the microwave for like 20 seconds and voila. So these were $1.98. Now they only have 3 flavors and I wish they had other flavors. Hold on, my phone's ringing. Back, you guys. But as I was saying, these were $1.98, and I wish they did have other flavors because Ben would have ate them. But I had $1 off of 3 coupon. Now, please keep in mind, some of these coupons do expire this weekend, so if you guys need to get out now. But I did buy 3 of them. You guys would pay $4.94 for all 3 of them, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate times 3 with Ibotta, making these $3.44 or $1.14, which I think is a pretty decent deal. And also you guys can submit your receipts to Kellogg's Family Rewards and you guys can get free points. You can print good coupons from that site, or you guys can get gift cards. And then if you guys haven't already, they still have the free books available. There's only a couple days left. I have one more thing I can submit, but yes. Next deal I ended up getting is the unicorn gummies. Now last week I got Spider-Man, and they also have Mario and then the unicorn. I didn't know there was different ones, but they did not. The Spider-Man did not reset for me. This does end in a couple days, so make sure you guys check it out. But my store was sold out of the Marios, and then I'm like, wait, there's the unicorn. And I'm thinking when I see this box, I think of the unicorn cereal that I had a couple years ago that was nasty. But fruit snacks are something totally different. So these were $2 a piece. I used $1 off a 2 coupon that I had. So you guys would pay $3 for this. Then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate times 2 with Ibotta, making these just $1 a piece or $2 altogether for that. So I was pretty excited, you know, to get some fruit snacks, even though we have a ton of fruit snacks, but I could always see if I could bring them to Ben's school. I know there's a lot of people with like allergies, but I could see if I could do that. As I was walking around the store trying to find more stuff, I ended up getting this nut butter. Now this is honey cinnamon peanut butter, which actually sounds pretty good. I'm excited to try this one, but I like it how it says 1 egg, 27 peanuts, a half a date, no BS. So I don't know what other, it says there's cinnamon and sea salt and stuff, but this was $1.24 at my store. A little pricey for a little like sample of peanut butter, but I'll still try it. You guys would pay $1.24 for this, but then you get 60 cents rebate with Ibotta, making it just 64 cents. So I thought, you know what, for 64 cents, we'll just try it. Like I said, I needed some rebates, right, Miss Charlotte? She's like, yes, mother. Yes, mother. The next deal I got is the Equal Plus packets. Now these were $3.47. I used a $2 off coupon that we had. You guys would pay $1.47 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 75 cents. So I think that is a pretty good deal. Okay, the next deal we got is the Kleenex deals. Now these Kleenex deals do end on Ibotta pretty soon also. So these were $1.58 at Walmart. They're $1.99 at Walgreens, but they're $1.58 at Walmart. You guys want to use a 75-cent off of 3 coupon that we have from our insert. So I did buy 3 of these. I lost my spot where I'm at. So you guys would pay $3.99 for 3 of them, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate times 3 with Ibotta, making it just $2.49 or just 83 cents a piece for that. So if you guys were interested with that, definitely do that. So I got that going on. Okay, the next deal I did was the Chobani deal. This deal I wasn't even expecting to do, and then I'm like, you know what, let's just see what we can do. And I first thought it had to be a certain one, but they have it where if you buy 2, you get $1.22 back. So what I ended up doing is I bought 2 of the Chobani flips. Now these were $1 a piece. So you guys want to buy 2 of them. It doesn't matter what flavor you got. So I ended up getting mint chocolate chip and peanut butter cup. I'm like, you know what, I should try these. I'm afraid to try them, but I should try them. And then I also got the Chobani single serves. Now these were 88 cents, and I got 1 of the strawberry bananas, and I got 2 of the pumpkin and spice. So those were 88 cents a piece. Well, I had $1 off a 5 coupon that I had. So you guys, for all 5 of those, you guys would pay $3.64 for all 5 of these. So it's cheaper doing the 3 of the single ones and 2 of the dollar ones. So yeah, so $3.64, but then you guys will get $1.22 off of these back with Ibotta, and then you guys will get $1.22 back with $1.22 off of 2 with Ibotta for the flip ones. And then I also had a 10-cent yogurt that I got, but I did not factor that in my final price. But everything would be $1.20 or just 24 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for Greek yogurt. So if you guys definitely want to do that deal, go for it. I was pretty excited just to do something, and I'm actually kind of excited to try new flavors. Like, I'm a Yoplait person. Like, that's the yogurt I do eat. So I'm afraid to try Greek. I don't know if it's just in my head or not. But I also got this little Suja shot. Now this is immunity defense shot with turmeric and probiotics. This was $1.98. I didn't want to get it, but I just needed one little thing that I needed to get my little bonus. So I paid $1.98 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.23. So not the greatest, but I still wanted to try it just to get my bonus. And then I have one more deal for you guys, is the cereal deal. Now the cereal deal is not the greatest, but I really wanted to get it, just like I said, just to finish my bonuses. Oh, my darling. Okay, so the first, what I ended up getting is I ended up getting the Raisin brand. Now the Raisin brand was $2.58, and I used $1 off a 2 coupon, and you guys would get 70 cents back with Ibotta with this one. And then I bought the Corn Flakes, where you guys get them for $2.72 with that $1 off a 2 coupon, and you guys would get 65 cents. Now when I submitted my receipt, it had the price on there, and then when I got my money back, it says 0. So I emailed Ibotta because now they owe me 65 cents and 70 cents for those rebates. I don't know why it said 0. I have no idea. It counted as a rebate, but I got 0 money back for it. So they got to fix that. But you guys would end up paying $4.30 for both of them after that $1 off of 2 coupon. But then you get 70 cents back and 65 cents back. Comes out to be just $2.95 or $1.47. Now, it's not the greatest deal. I usually say $1 is the best, but that's stuff I really don't get very often, and I really wanted to hit this bonus. So that is what I got. So my grand total came to $38.67. I ended up just getting $16.44 back with Ibotta. Not much, but hey, 16 bucks and 44 cents is a good deal. I finished Weekend Warrior where I needed to get 12 rebates, so I got $2 for the Weekend Warrior. And then I needed 15 more rebates to finish the Top Saver. So I got that, and I got $20, you guys. I definitely love Ibotta. If you guys haven't joined, definitely do it, you guys, because you guys get, free money. So my grand total, if you guys add everything together, came to be just 23 cents. 23 cents for 24 items. That's pretty much a penny an item, you guys. 1 penny an item, which I think is a great deal. I haven't seen a penny item at Walmart in a long time, so I said it was a bad month for Walmart, but there has been some really good bonuses and some really good deals, especially with Walgreens right now. So yes, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that in case you guys are interested in finishing your deals. Hopefully you guys can do it between Walmart and Walgreens this week. There's some really good Ibotta rebates. Again, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and we will see you guys all next week for another Walmart Ibotta haul. Say bye, Miss Darling. She's like, no, Mom, I want some milk. Okay, you guys, thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.